Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So back by popular demand, today I will be trying another tutorial. So today, in honor of the fact that I have to do my hair anyway, I figured I will follow another Thechicnatural tutorials because first of all, her videos are bomb and we all know her tutorials are just pristine, you know? I actually really have wanted to do a faux locks protective style for a while now, so I saw one of her tutorials and I said, that's the one. That's the one that I'm gonna do. So if you guys enjoy these and you want to see more of these types of videos, I'm just going to need you to do one thing only for me, and that's to make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell so you always get notified when I post content. Thank you very much. Okay, let's get into this video.
Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm
very
doing a
beautiful
tutorial on these crochet box braids I did the other day. Alright, so here is my braiding pattern, and I pretty much just cornrowed my hair going straight back with two braids meeting in the middle to form one braid in the back hat.
I will be right back. Okay, first of all, I just want to say that my hair is stretched out for the most part. I washed it the other day. Thank God. It was stinking, man. But anyway, so yeah, I washed it, deep conditioned and everything actually. So, and then I blow dried a little bit using the tension method, and then I braided it up so that I could have the ultimate stretch. This is a great way and a great hack to stretching out your hair to its maximum potential without using like necessarily a comb attachment to get your hair straight. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's like this is pretty stretched, so I can do cornrows really nice on this. But anyway, I'm going to get my stuff together and be right back and see if I can imitate this braid pattern that she's done. Okay, see you soon.
2 hours later.
Kim, 2.5 hours where? It is 12:30 in the morning. I started this maybe 10:45, 11 o'clock, and I'm only done braiding my hair. I'm upset. So check out the back. I don't even know what it looks like, but I'm praying it looks okay because your girl is tired. I'm tired. What's this? Okay.
Pointing upward. I did that so once my hair is all done and I pull it up, the crochet braids will look a lot less detectable. And then as you can see, I left out a small section for my front edges. Alright, so time to get started, and for this install, I'm using these 24-inch box braids right here.
I'm using
it says small on the package, but
18-inch.
It's more like small to medium-sized braids. So to install the crochet braid, you're going to need a latch hook, and you want to make sure it's open. I'm going to slide that right underneath the cornrow. Then I'm taking the looped end of the crochet braid and attaching it to the hook.
Wait. I didn't even open the package. Hold on. Okay, I'm about to look real cute. If I could get this right. I'm about to look real cute. So she said, hold on, my hair is stuck. Okay, so open the latch. She already put the first one in. She didn't tell nobody. Okay. So, oh crap. It caught a random piece of my hair. Oh my gosh. Wait. Okay. Okay. There we go. And then she said through the loop. Close the loop. And then pull it through. Boom. Alright. Continue, Kimberly. Oh god.
And pushing it over off the hook. Next, I'm taking the tail end of the braid and I'm looping that onto the hook.
Oh!
The ledge, and then I'm pulling that right through the opening in the crochet braid.
Oh!
Then I'm pulling and tightening it to the scalp until it's secure.
What is happening?
And this is how it should look.
Wait. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I got it. I don't know how, but I did. I did it! Ow! We real cute. You cannot talk to me anyhow. You understand? Okay? Do you see? Look, I'm about to do a side part. Boom. That was exhilarating. Wow. This is really something. So far, I'm having a good time. You know, I think this is pretty cool. Oh God, JK, I lied. I feel like this is pretty easy. It's just a little like meticulous. But other than that, she uses the crochet handle to put the loop through, but like I just feel like I can use my fingers, you know, just boom. That just works for me. It's easier for me, at least. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. Okay,
2 hours later.
y'all, this was such a scam. Like, I am so tired. This is my third hour. My third hour. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I was doing the front. I used about 4 packs in the front, and I got to the back, and I barely put any in the back. I'll show you guys the back. Yeah, so I could probably, you know, fill in some spaces, but I'll do that at a later date. Your girl is tired right now. Okay.
Alright, so once my whole head is done, I'm going to do the edges. I'm going to be braiding that separately so this style can really come out looking like traditional box braids, and I think that makes a huge difference to do it this way. So I'm taking out that front section.
Oh my gosh.
Parts and combing out the hair, make sure I don't have any tangles.
Wait! Oh my goodness. Okay. Whoa. Alright. I didn't expect this hair to feel so heavy. I guess it's because I haven't had like actual extensions on my hair in quite some time. I don't even remember the last. I think it was when I went to Nigeria. I think that was the last time I got any types of extensions on my hair. So she said to part and clip away.
And for this, all I did was unravel a crochet braid, and there you go. And I'm braiding that in with my hair and then plaiting it all the way down.
I didn't really plan for this part. For some reason, can't I crochet? OMG, I didn't really, ooh. Oh, I'm not faux locking nothing. Like, oh my goodness. All right, so I'm not braiding. I just can't do it. So what I'm gonna do is take a section and I'll just crochet it in, but like individual style. I don't know why I didn't really think of that part. Anyway, I'm gonna take this gel. This is Lovely Bees Edge Control, one of my favorite edge controls, and I'm just gonna put that on the edges just so that I get, like, you know, a really neat style. I think I can twist this, right? I mean, I think twisting will be fine. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. So I'm just gonna crochet into the hair, take it and pull it through. Ow. Okay, that didn't work out too well. All right, I may have to braid this just so that God is so very good. So I figured something out, you know, because I always figure something out. So I'm gonna be giving you guys my own version, a little tutorial. So Kimberly, You're just gonna have to take a seat. Thank you. But okay, so I'm just gonna split this into two, braid this first part, and just braid it just a few braids down. Honestly, I really don't even know if I have to braid it, but whatever. Anyway, and then I take one of the hairs and you're gonna unravel it. Be careful so it doesn't knot at the bottom, which this one did. So that we have it, and then I'm just gonna unravel one side even more because this is what I'm gonna use to wrap the hair. So just taking it and going like that. Okay. So when you're unraveling, also keep in mind the direction that it's going in. So this is going, wait, this is clockwise. Clockwise. So when I'm wrapping the hair, I also have to go clockwise because it wraps better that way. Okay. So now I'm just going to take the hair and I'm going to add it on and start braiding. Okay. So I'm going to braid just a few down as well. And then I'm taking the hair that I'm using. So I can't go this way. I have to go this way for it to wrap well. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to have it start at the base of my hair. Okay, or at the root. And I'm just going to wrap it a few times. And then I'm going to slowly start wrapping it in a downward motion. There we go. And I'm just using my thumb to kind of guide it to go around so it wraps even better. So because this crochet hair is pretty loose, I have to keep in mind not to wrap this hair too tight so that it's still flexible and has some movement and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at that. I'm a pro. It actually looks so much cuter. I'm glad I didn't just crochet it on, because I just think it looks so much more natural like this. So you're just going to do that all the way to the bottom. And yeah. You can just, yeah, keep it calm. And there you go. Doesn't this look so cute?
This look took me about 2.5 hours to install, which is a heck of a lot less time.
2.5 hours, sis.
Install these individually, which is great. What I also like about them is they really do look like regular box braids. You can pull them up in the front, you can wear them down, do all different types of parts. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will catch you all on the next video. Bye.
Okay, so all in all, I think we're all in agreement that this, or you probably can tell that this did not take no 2.5 hours. This took 4. But I also think it's because it was my first time, and also I wasn't braiding. I was doing the wrapping technique, which I believe takes longer. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the back. I do think I could have spaced out the front just a little bit more, but I also like the volume that it brings because I feel like Farrah Fawcett. But so here's the back. So I don't know if there's spaces. There probably is, but there's nothing. I mean, I have a little bit of hair left over, so I could probably fill them in, but yeah. So that's that. All in all, I think it was a very straight through tutorial, like all of her tutorials. I think that's why we all love her. So for the most part, I definitely learned a lot. I could follow it pretty clearly, and I think my hair looks bomb. So I'm ready. I'm about to go on this trip or whatever, and it's lit because my hair is done. Oh, this is so cute. I like never have my hair like this. Ah! Sorry. So I'm done. I need to go to sleep, guys. If you want to see this hair like fully styled and you know with my makeup on and everything, follow me on Instagram. I'll have tons of pictures there. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give this a thumbs up. All right, make sure you subscribe to hit that notification bell so that you return when I return. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.